Hi friends, welcome to Tech Solution. Today I will explain you how to download and install AutoCAD 22 in free. So now to download the software, first you have to go to Google search, then you have to type AutoCAD student version. I will also give you the link of this software in my description. Then after click on search, you will get few options. So you have to select the first option. It will mention the student and education software. So after click on the first link, you will get this type of interface. To get this software in free, you must have a student account. But if you don't have, you can create your new account by following few easy steps. Then you will get this page, get educational access. So you have to put your country details, you have to put your education role, you have to put your institution type, then click on next button. Then you will redirect to the next page like create account. You have to fill some your details, personal details like first name, last name, email id, confirm email, then password. Then you have to be select the checkbox I agree. After you select, you have to select your create account option. Then you will redirect to the next page. You can see there you are almost there. Then here you have to put your institution name, your enrollment date, your expected graduation completion date. Sometimes somebody asked you could not find your actual institution name, so there is also another option. If you could not find, you have to be mention you have to fill some details. Then you can add your institution name, and in your enrollment date you can just put today's date, like put any date of 2022, and you can mention your expected graduation date after 4 years. Then you can put next button. Also somebody asked few questions here. Might be you have completed your graduation 3 or 4 years ago or 5. In that case, what you have to do, you can put today's date, and you can put your completion of graduation date after 4 years. Now as you can see, it's showing account is set. You have to select the checkbox, then you can just continue. Now the website will ask you for the document verification. Here you have to be select get started. Then you can get the page. It will show your details, email id, everything you have to be check. Then just you have to be confirm it. If you have institutional email id, you can put your email id. Otherwise you can just skip this process. To verify your document, you have to be just select upload document. Then you have to be upload your college id card. Just keep in mind in your college id card, your name, your college name or institution name, and enrollment number must should be mentioned. Then simply you can submit your documents. Then you can select close. Now your account is successfully created. You can see here the validity of your software. Now you can download and install the AutoCAD 22 software in free. Just scroll down, then you can AutoCAD version which you want to download in your PC, and simply click on download. Now as you can see, your software is downloading. Just wait for the completion of the download. Successfully completion, you can double click on the software. Then it will start extracting the files. It will take few minutes. Just wait for extracting the file. Select on I agree and click on next button. Then again click on next. Then in the next page click on install. Now as you can see, the software is installing now. Wait for successful installation. Installation will take a few minutes. As you can see, now it's showing install complete. So you can start now. Click on start button. After open the software page, you can see here it's showing let's get started, and you can see it sign in with your AutoCAD ID. you have to be sign in here with your email ID and the password which you created in the Autodesk account. Then click on get started in the next page, and then follow the process. Click on continue. Now your software is fully installed and it's completely free. You can start using your software now, but please keep remember this software is only for 1 year validity. Don't worry, you can renew it again after 1 year with providing your student details. Thanks friends. If you have any doubt, any clarity you need, you can put your comment. I will check, I will answer, and I'll also help you in the installation and download of the software. To get more videos like this, please subscribe our channel.